Ever noticed you yawn right after seeing someone else yawn? We all do it, but why? It's called contagious yawning, and research says there are two main reasons. Reason one, empathy. According to a study from the University of Pisa, yawning might be your brain's way of syncing emotions with others. The closer you are to someone, the more likely you'll catch their yawn. Reason two, brain cooling. A Princeton study found yawning helps cool your brain, and seeing someone else yawn may trigger your brain to do the same. Like a survival mechanism to keep everyone sharp. And here's the twist. Not everyone is affected. Some people are totally immune. So, do you catch yawns easily? Comment below and let's see who's immune. If you stop now, you'll never know what they're hiding next. Subscribe to stay ahead.